I'm going to show you an affordable heated waterproof hunting jacket. When I first found out about a heated waterproof hunting jacket, I instantly became interested. The other day we got tons of rain, so much so that I decided to test this out and actually see if this jacket is waterproof. I was outside for a really long time and basically a downpour, and I didn't get wet at all. This jacket is a half zip, meaning that it only zips down from about your chin all the way down to the middle of your body. The reason for that is because it has a huge pouch down here that you can keep hand warmers in or store extra things. Some people don't like the inconvenience of a half zip because you have to put the jacket over your head rather than unzipping the whole thing, but I actually like it. It's also going to help keep you a little bit warmer. The inside has a nice fleece material to help keep you warm. The outer shell is 100% waterproof, so you can rely on that, and if it's waterproof, of course it's going to be windproof. The jacket comes with two pockets, one on the right side, one on the left. The one on the right side is my favorite because it actually has magnets rather than a zipper or Velcro. I love magnetic pockets because you can slip your hand right in here. What that's going to do is it gives you the opportunity to silently grab something out of your pocket without making a whole bunch of noise using Velcro or a zipper. On this side, the left side of the jacket, this is a zippered pocket. This is a good spot to put your cell phone or something you need that's readily available because of its location. What's a waterproof jacket without a hood? Basically useless. This one comes with a hood, and it also is completely removable by a zipper right here in case you don't want to use it. This button right here controls the heat setting for this jacket. There are 3 heat settings: low, medium, and high. If you're choosing to use the low heat setting on this jacket, you can expect the battery to last about 10 hours. If you're using the medium setting, the battery should last about 5.5 hours. And if you use the high setting for those really cold days, the battery should last about 3 hours. Here's the battery that comes with the jacket. It's pretty simple. You have 2 USB ports right there. You have a micro input, which is what this is for. This is the cord that comes with the jacket, so you can charge the battery. And what I really like is the Type-C port, because so many things are charged using Type-C. So I don't really plan on using this very often. I'll keep it as a backup. If you want to plug this into the jacket, which is what it's used for, it's pretty easy. I mentioned before that you've got this big pouch pocket in the front, which I love. I love putting my hands together with a hand warmer if I'm hunting. And then on this side, you'll notice that it says right here, battery pack, on this little red tag. What you do is unzip that section, so it's basically a zipper within a zipper, and you'll notice that there is a cord that comes out, and it's protected with a little piece of rubber over the top. So you disconnect that. One of these USB ports right here gets plugged into it. You press it in and it's ready to go. You'll notice right here that it says 100%. It's blinking on the camera right now, but I promise you I'm looking at this in real time and it says 100%. Once you have it set up and it's already on, all you need to do is place this back in that interior pocket, zip it all the way up like this, and then if you want you can also zip this one up too with this pouch. On the top, this is your main button. It's going to be a little tricky to see with the sunlight, but what you have to do now is press this button and hold it. It'll turn on. Now it's on its hottest setting. You can see it's red there. Press it again. It's going to go to the medium setting, which is white. Press it again. It's going to go to the low setting, which is blue. It can't get any easier than that. If you want to turn the jacket off, press and hold it until the light goes away. Now the jacket's off. Another thing worth noting about this jacket is that if you want to wash it in your washing machine, you certainly can do that. Obviously, make sure you take the battery out first. When I purchase products, I like them to have multiple uses, multiple purposes. This jacket right here, you can use this for basically anything in cold weather conditions. You can go snowmobiling with this on, ice fishing, fishing in cold temps in open water, work around your house, and the fact that it's heated, windproof, and waterproof gives you a lot of protection from inclement weather. I have a really big driveway, so when I'm blowing snow in the winter, I'm probably going to be using this jacket. There are good things and bad things about every product. One negative I have to say, if I'm being really honest with you about this product, and this is just my opinion, are these Velcro straps around the wrist right here. I'm not a fan of Velcro when it comes to hunting. I'm really not a fan of Velcro for just about anything when it comes to clothing, because Velcro in a hunting situation is noisy and Velcro just doesn't last. But other than the Velcro being right here, I really don't have anything else to say about this jacket as far as what I'm concerned about. When it comes to hunting, the way I plan on using this jacket is for upland game. Of course, I'd have an orange vest over this if I'm going to go grouse hunting, for example. I plan on using this to go duck hunting for sure. This is the perfect jacket for duck hunting. In your waders or over the top of the waders, depending on how deep the water is you're walking through. Because it's waterproof and because it's windproof and it's heated, those cold days when you're duck hunting, those are actually some of the best days in my opinion. This is the perfect jacket for that. The other way I plan on using this is deer hunting, but probably not bow hunting because it's waterproof. That means the exterior layer is kind of noisy. If you're drawing your bow and the deer is close, I like to have my deer about 10, 15, 20 yards at the most. They're going to hear you most likely on those calm days. Now, if it's really windy, it probably doesn't matter. This would actually work really well since it's windproof. However, it's probably better if you're deer hunting with a rifle because you can sit back a little bit if you plan on deer hunting in that way. Sometimes I deer hunt with a rifle and I have to be close given the situation I'm in. Oftentimes I try to be back a little bit just because I want to prevent them from smelling me but also hearing me. So for rifle hunting for deer, I think this would be a really good jacket as well. And deer hunting in Wisconsin where I'm from usually happens with the rifle at the end of the season, and there's another season in December too, a little short season for something else. It's usually really cold that time of year, so a jacket just like this that's heated, it's waterproof. Yeah, it makes a little noise, but if you're rifle hunting, it's really not that big of a deal. With all the information I just gave you about this jacket, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. See you next time.